If you're getting into cybersecurity, you need to know these 5 essential tools. They're used by professionals for penetration testing, network analysis, and security research. Welcome to SecOps Syndicate. I'm Tony, your cybersecurity sentry. Today, I'll give you a quick overview of what they do and how you can start using them. Stick around because I'll also show you how to use Linux command line or CyberChef for quick data transformations. Let's get into it. First up, we have Nmap, the Swiss Army knife of network scanning. Nmap is short for Network Mapper and is used to discover devices, detect open ports, and even fingerprint operating systems. It's a must-have for ethical hackers and network administrators alike. This command scans for open ports 22, 80, and 443, while also detecting service versions. Want a deeper dive? I have a full tutorial on Nmap coming soon, so make sure to subscribe. Next is Metasploit, the ultimate framework for penetration testing. Security pros use Metasploit to test vulnerabilities, exploit weaknesses, and simulate real-world attacks. Legally, of course. That command launches Metasploit, where you can search for exploits, payloads, and even automate attacks. Don't worry, ethical hackers use this to strengthen security, not break it. Next is Wireshark. Wireshark is a network traffic analyzer that lets you capture and inspect data packets in real time. If you want to see what's happening on a network, good or bad, Wireshark is the go-to tool. You can use Wireshark to monitor for suspicious activity, analyze network speed issues, or even inspect malicious traffic. Just remember, don't sniff packets on networks you don't have permission to access. If you are into web security, Burp Suite is a must. This tool helps security researchers find vulnerabilities in websites by intercepting and modifying requests. For example, you can capture login requests, test for SQL injections, or modify cookies. There's a free version of Burp Suite, so you can start testing today. Last but not least, CyberChef, the magical data transformation tool. It helps with encoding, decoding, hashing, and data manipulation. But if you love the command line, you can replace CyberChef with Linux tools. These simple Linux commands can do the same thing CyberChef does, so it's great to know both. And that's your crash course on 5 essential cybersecurity tools. If you want full tutorials on each, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and I've got deep dives coming soon. So let me know in the comments, which tools are you most excited to learn? See you in the next video.